You think chia seeds are helping your body detox? Think again. Because if you're making even one of these 7 mistakes, you might be bloating your gut, blocking absorption, and holding on to toxins without even realizing it. Chia seeds are everywhere, in smoothies, detox drinks, yogurts, even those so-called cleansing waters, all over TikTok. And yeah, they can be great for your body, but only if you're using them the right way. The truth is, most people are unknowingly making small chia mistakes that completely cancel out the benefits, or worse, make things worse. Stick around, because we're about to expose the 7 chia seed mistakes that might be sabotaging your detox and cleanse. Here's the issue. You're trying to detox your body. Maybe you're dealing with constant bloating, brain fog, sluggish digestion, or just want to feel clean and light again. So you add chia seeds to your diet. Smart move, right? But suddenly you feel even more bloated, constipated, maybe even gassy and uncomfortable. It's not the chia seeds themselves, it's how you're using them. If you care about real, effective detox and want to stop wasting your efforts, don't skip, especially mistake number 5. It's the detox killer most people don't even know they're doing. 1. Eating dried chia seeds without soaking them. Let's kick things off with the most common mistake. Eating dried chia seeds straight from the bag. Look, I get it. You sprinkle them on your oatmeal or yogurt and think you're being healthy. But here's the thing. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. So when you eat them dry, guess what they do inside your stomach? They swell up, big time. If you contribute, according to a 2014 case study published in the American Journal of Gastroenterology, a man experienced esophageal blockage after consuming dry chia seeds, followed by water, highlighting how dangerous this can be when misused. That means they can cause serious bloating, constipation, or even create a gel-like blockage in your esophagus if you don't drink enough water. Why it matters. A proper detox relies on smooth digestion and elimination. If things are backing up in your gut because of dry chia seeds, you're doing the opposite of cleansing. What to do instead? Soak your chia seeds in water or plant-based milk for at least 30 minutes, ideally overnight. This prehydrates them, makes them easier to digest, and actually activates the soluble fiber that helps move toxins out of your body. 2. Using chia seeds as a meal replacement. A tablespoon of chia seeds does not count as breakfast, but a lot of people mix some with almond milk, add a berry or 2, and call it a day. Not only is that not enough calories, but it also lacks protein, fat, and essential micronutrients. And guess what? Undereating while trying to detox makes your body stressed. Why it matters. When your body feels deprived, it goes into survival mode, holding onto fat and toxins instead of letting them go. So no, less is not always better. What to do instead? Use chia seeds as a booster, not a base. Pair them with whole foods, add them to protein smoothies, overnight oats with nuts and seeds, or a balanced fruit bowl. You'll support your metabolism instead of slowing it down. 3. Not drinking enough water with chia seeds. Chia seeds are fiber bombs, which is great for sweeping toxins out of your colon. But without enough water, that fiber turns into a sticky mess. You'll end up constipated, sluggish, and the detox effects? Gone. Why it matters. Fiber needs water to move through your system. It's like trying to mop the floor without any water. Pointless and messy. Real-life tip: for every tablespoon of chia seeds you eat, aim for at least 1 extra cup of water. Your gut will thank you, your skin will thank you, and yes, your toilet time will be smooth sailing. 4. Eating too many chia seeds at once. More doesn't always mean better. Some people think, oh, they're healthy, I'll just dump 5 tablespoons in my smoothie. Bad idea. Chia seeds are powerful but potent. Too much, too fast, and your gut will go into panic mode. Gas, cramps, even diarrhea, that's not detox. That's your body screaming for a break. Safe daily dose? Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, especially when starting out. Let your gut adjust gradually. Detoxing isn't about extremes, it's about restoring flow. 5. Thinking chia seeds alone will detox you. Let's be real. No single food, not even chia seeds, will magically detox your body. Your liver, kidneys, lymphatic system, they do the detoxing. As reported in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, effective detoxification depends on liver enzymes supported by a balanced intake of antioxidants, hydration, and fiber-rich foods. Why this is dangerous. A lot of people eat poorly all week, then toss some chia in a drink on Sunday and think they're cleansing. That's like taking a shower while standing in a mud puddle. What to do instead? Pair chia seeds with leafy greens like kale or spinach, eating fruits like cucumber and watermelon, liver-supporting foods like lemon, turmeric, and beets. And yes, water, water, water. Your detox needs a team, not just a solo player. 6. Not chewing or blending chia seeds properly. Here's a weird truth. Some people swallow chia seeds whole and just let them sit in water, but they don't chew them or blend them, and that's a missed opportunity. Why it matters. Chia seeds have a tough outer shell. If you don't break it open, you might pass them right through your body without absorbing the nutrients inside, like omega-3s and antioxidants. The fix. Blend them in smoothies. Stir into hot oatmeal. Chew slowly if they're in pudding. Unlock the nutrients before they're gone. 7. Storing chia seeds wrong. Yup, even storage matters. Most people keep chia seeds in the pantry, sometimes open, next to heat or light. Bad idea. Why it matters. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are super sensitive to air, heat, and light. If they go rancid, you lose all the benefits and might even harm your body with spoiled oils. What to do? Store chia seeds in a cool, dark place, preferably in the fridge, and always seal the bag or jar tight. Fresh chia equals effective chia. Here's the real detox truth. Let's zoom out. Chia seeds are amazing. They absorb toxins, regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support gut health. But they're not magic. In fact, a meta-analysis in Nutrition Reviews concluded that chia seeds can modestly aid weight loss and reduce visceral fat when paired with a balanced diet. When used wrong, they can clog your system, create discomfort, and totally derail your detox efforts. Used right though, they become one of the best tools for daily cleansing, balanced energy, and even weight loss. Let's recap the 7 chia seed mistakes that might be messing with your cleanse. 1. Eating them dry instead of soaking them. 2. Replacing full meals with just chia. 3. Not drinking enough water. 4. Going overboard with portions. 5. Relying on chia alone for detox. 6. Not breaking them down, chewing instead of blending. 7. Storing them the wrong way. Each of these is simple, but ignoring even one could cancel out the benefits you're chasing. It's time to stop guessing and start cleansing the right way. If this helped you, hit that like button so we can reach more people making these mistakes. And drop a comment below with, "I'm fixing my detox," if you're ready to clean up your chia habits starting today. If you want more no-fluff health advice like this, hit subscribe, and we'll keep it real every day, because your health should feel simple, not confusing.